Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are doing a full face nothing over 10. I absolutely love doing these videos. I actually have a playlist which I will link somewhere up here. You can click on that and just watch my previous videos. I love doing these because it really just pushes me to like try new makeup and rediscover old makeup, and the best thing is that we keep it super affordable. So everything here is going to be $10 and under. I did pick up a new palette from Profusion, so I'm really excited to test it out. I am doing a like very pastel moment, which is why I'm wearing like this cute little outfit. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are ready. You already know, grab your cafecito, grab your brushes, and let's get ready while we sip on our cafecito. And today's video is going to be so much fun, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so for my primer, I am going to start with the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. If you haven't already tried this, please try it. It is such a good product. It's sticky, it's long wearing, it's very sticky actually, but the best part is that it just grips onto your foundation and it does not let go. So if you're looking for a primer that is affordable and long wearing, this is it. I have so much texture on my skin. I don't know what is going on. I have been like breaking out, and this is like an allergy reaction on my skin. Do you guys see like all this and like all through here? My lights wash it out a lot, but I have so much texture, and I don't know why. I cannot pinpoint what product is breaking me out. My skin is like extremely sensitive, so yeah. For my foundation, I'm actually going to be mixing two. These are two foundations that I haven't touched in months. So we're going to put these two together and create our own little concoction. This is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage in the shade Neutral Tan. And then I have the Glamouflage Full Coverage Foundation. And this one is in the shade Honey. I saw, oh my gosh, what's her name? She's one of like the OG YouTubers, Casey? I can't remember her name, but she popped up on my TikTok feed and she was talking about this hard candy foundation and how it's perfect for like rosacea and texture skin. I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't used that foundation in so long. So here is my little concoction. The hard candy foundation, I know that a lot of people don't like it because they say that it smells like paint. And I see what you mean. It's very strong in scent, but it is a beautiful foundation and it wears super, super nicely. And I'm oily skin. If you're new, hi, I'm super oily. But this one just really wears nicely on the skin. So I am going to be using an affordable sponge as well. This one is the AOA Studios sponge from Amazon. I've been talking about these nonstop because they're that good. For my concealer today, I am going in with my JCat Stay Assurance Concealer in Soft Tan. This is such a nice full coverage, lightweight concealer, and they have a bunch of shades. I am an affiliate with JCat Beauty, so if you guys want to save some money on the JCat website, you can totally use my discount code and get yourself some concealers because they're honestly so bomb. Just tapping it in here. I'm so hungry. I have not had breakfast. Usually in the mornings, like I'll make breakfast for Lincoln and I'll have a cup of coffee and then we'll just chill. And I just put him down for his morning nap. He's only been napping once a day now. He used to nap twice, but the one nap that he takes, he sleeps for like at least 2 hours, sometimes like 3 hours. So it definitely gives me time to film and like do what I gotta do, you know, because when he's awake, obviously I can't do anything since I'm the only one at home. My husband works from home, but he's busy with like clients and just like you know, work and stuff. So I take my time when I film because he literally naps all day, but I am so hungry. I bought myself a salad. So I mean, I'm thinking I'm gonna eat a salad right after I am done filming. We're going to set the entire skin though, and for that I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Finish Powder. This powder is in the shade Light Medium. They don't have a lot of shades, unfortunately. If you are looking for maybe something similar to like that Dior powder that I've been raving about, I would say this is pretty comparable to it. I wouldn't say that it's a dupe, but I mean, obviously it's like way more affordable than the Dior powder, and it gives you slightly the same finish. I would say that this one mattifies the skin more than the Dior. That one gives you more of a like natural glow, but this is so pretty and it just really keeps the skin intact all day. To bake underneath the eyes, I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light. I used to have the shade medium, but it was too close to my skin tone, and I really enjoy my under eyes to look a little bit brighter than the rest of my face. So for my bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Essence The Glowing Gods. Yep. This is a bronzer that I have not used in quite some time, and this is definitely under $10. Essence is super affordable. This bronzer is nice because you can build it up, but I wish it had a matte finish. It has like a sparkling, shimmery finish. It's not too obvious, but if you have a lot of texture, then it'll definitely emphasize it. I'm just going to place this in the areas where I would contour. Right here. I'm going to take a little bit and just run it through the jawline so we have that balance of the colors. Just like that. For my blush, I chose the new Koki, what are these called? The Soft Gradient Blush. These are so pretty. This is in the shade Heart Throb. These are just beautiful. They're pigmented, and obviously they have that really soft gradient effect. So you can either go really dark with your blush or you can go a little bit lighter. I'm going to say on the lighter side, since the colors I will be using on my face are a little bit more pastel. I don't want to overdo it with the blush. Actually, I'm just going to run it through everything because the softest color, it is a little too soft. And I'm using this brush from the Morphe and Ariel collection. For my highlight, I am going in with the Glow Dome Highlighter by Hard Candy. This one is hands down my favorite drugstore highlight because it is such a unique formula. It has like this bouncy texture, almost like the ColourPop ones, but the payoff is insane, you guys. It's like very, very intense. So a little goes a long way, and I'm just going to tap it right here. Like, do you guys see that? So this is the palette I was talking about, the Pastel palette by Profusion. These are only $5. I don't know if this is like new, but it's new to my collection. And I'm also going to be using their pigment base in the shade Neutral. And then we're also going to be creating like a graphic liner. That's what I'm nervous for because I've never done anything like that. This is also by Profusion, the Bright Lights Pastel Liner in the shade White. I have like very droopy skin on my eyes, which is why I tend to like stray away from like any graphic eyeliners, but I'm going to push myself today and we're going to try it. So let's go ahead and apply the pigment base. I'm going to start off with this color right here. It's called Daydream and it's a really soft lilac. I want to use a brush that's fairly big so it can cover most of the space on my lid. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams little brush, and I am going to dip my brush into here, and I'm going to start off by packing it into the inner part of the eye. I'm going to keep using that same brush. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Clarity, which is a soft baby blue. And that one is going to go right next to, ooh, this is pretty, right next to Daydream. So far, you guys, these colors are pretty pigmented for them being pastels. I feel like pastels are such like hard colors to get good payoff because they are meant to be soft pastels, you know? Honestly, you could stop right here. This is such like a cotton candy vibe. Now I'm going to go in with the green, which is called Good Luck. And I am just cleaning off my brush. And then this one's going to go right where the blue kind of ends. And we're going to squish it in here. Oh my gosh, this is such a gorgeous green. Can you guys see that? That is so pretty. The last color I'm going to use is Friendly. This one I am going to switch to a fluffier brush so I can just blend it out towards the end. But I'm going to use the shade Friendly. And this is just a very soft orange. Oh my gosh, I love this color. And this one's going to go just out here. So that was actually pretty easy. Like the colors just blend really easily together. Now the hard part is creating the graphic liners. So I'm just going to like hold my breath because I probably need to concentrate. Like I said, I've never done anything like this, but I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, so I went ahead and did that. I am going to go over it just because I didn't want to intensify it so much. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this, and then I'm gonna do this eye off camera. Okay, what do you guys think? I think I did pretty okay. Not too bad. They're definitely not even, but don't tell anybody. So for lashes, we're going to apply the Essence Double Trouble Mascara. This is new, and I have been loving this. The way that they designed the little like brush, it's so perfect because it literally grabs onto every lash and it just like makes it super long, and it doesn't clump up. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a generous coat to my top lashes. The lashes are on. I took a little break because you guys, I was so hungry. I literally could not concentrate. I was just eating a little bit of the salad, and I feel like I have. Yeah. Cute. So for the lower lash line, we are going to finish everything off. I'm going to take the LA Colors gel eyeliner. This is in the shade Flash White. For the inner corner, I am going to take a little bit of this LA Girl Dream Glitter Iridescent Liquid Eyeshadow. It's white, but it has pink and like different colors. So I'm going to tap some to the back of the hand, and then I'm going to tap it into the inner corner of the eyes. I'm going to go back with my primer, and then I'm going to apply a little bit to the lower lash line. Start off with the shade Friendly. Go in with a Good Luck. And then I'm going to take Clarity and Daydream. Then for my lips, I am going to take this e.l.f. lip liner. This is the Tiana Major collaboration. As my lipstick, I'm using Peony by Milani. This is a little dark, so I am going to have to lighten it. And in the center, all I'm doing is I'm taking a white concealer and tapping it so it can lighten that pink color. I just don't have any light pink colors. I am going to top it off with lip gloss just because I feel like this look is very fun. And lip gloss always makes everything better. This is the Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss, and it's in the shade of Flower Blossom. These are so shiny. You guys see that? Last step is to set the entire skin. Of course, we don't want our masterpiece to be moving around, so we're going to set. Now, this is the Jumbo Make It Last Setting Spray by Milani. This one is about $12, but if you get the smaller size, it's definitely under 10. So we're going to go ahead and just set the skin. And And here is the completed look, you guys. This is a full face using makeup that is $10 and under. I'm obsessed with the way this look turned out. It is so bright. It is so pastel. It is so fun. Like, honestly, this would have been a perfect Coachella look, which I know Coachella is like over, but wow. If you guys recreate this look, please tag me on my Instagram at Ohmglashes so I can repost you and show you some love. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!